Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Guys, today we are going to discuss about off-campus hiring opportunity for fresher and experienced candidate. So today we have multiple openings for multiple startup companies and MNCs as well. So I will go through all of the opportunity. It won't take much time. I'm just requesting you to don't skip any part of this video, otherwise you can miss out the opportunity. Okay. First opportunity we have from Cytel Group for the role of customer support, and they are hiring for the international inbound process, and fresher candidates and experienced candidates both can apply, and we just need a minimum qualification 12th pass or any degree. And if we just have a 12th pass degree, we can apply, and work location will be Chennai, and should we relocate to Chennai if you are not in Chennai right now. And apart from that, we will get CTC from 3 LPA to 3.5 LPA, and Chennai is the work location. And we just need excellent communication in skill for this job role. And if you are interested to apply, you just have to send your resume on this WhatsApp number, and you will get Sunday fixed week off, and there will be no off on Saturday. And you have to go through this assessment, and these five tests you have to do, four tests, sorry, where you have to do the typing test, in English proficiency test, customer service voice account test, and also customer proficiency and perceptual speed. Okay, so all tests you have to complete, then you are eligible. And if you are interested, you can simply contact to these HRs. They have mentioned their WhatsApp number. Opportunity we have from Simons for the role of software developer role, and only fresher candidates are eligible for this job. Work location will be Pune, Maharashtra, and we need engineering degree for this job role. And apart from that, if we are fresher or we have experience up to 2 year in software development with the technology C Sharp, .NET, and database and design pattern, so we can apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity we have from SIPE for the role of backend internship. They are hiring fresher for this backend intern role, and work location you will get in Gurugram, Haryana. And if you see the minimum qualification, you should have a degree in computer science, IT, or related fields, and basic knowledge of backend programming language like Python, Java, Kotlin, and also you should have database knowledge like MySQL and PostgreSQL. Okay, and Git version control system and problem solving skill also required. Next opportunity we also have from SIFE for the role of DevOps intern. They are hiring for multiple roles, and this is also intensive for fresher candidates, and work location will be Gurugram, Haryana. And if you see the skill qualification requirement, you should have a skill in Linux, AWS, Bash, Golang, Python, and apart from that, version control system like Git communication skill is also required. If you are interested for both of these opportunity, backend internship or DevOps internship, you can simply apply for these. Next opportunity we have from Mini Orange for the role of software developer engineer, and this opportunity is for fresher candidates, those who have graduated in 2024, and qualification is BE BTech from any branch can apply for this opportunity. You can say that this is a direct test signing because on 12th July 2024 your test is going to be happen for first round, and you have to register for this hiring by 6 p.m. 10 July 2024. They will close after that, and round 2 is going to be happen at office that is located in Pune on 20th July 2024. Okay, and eligibility criteria be BTech any branch. And if you see the requirement, you should have knowledge of data structure, problem solving, Java, PHP, etc. And apart from that, writing code that is accessible and performant and easy to read. Apart from that, you should have database knowledge like PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, and if you are interested, you can simply apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity we have from Interactive Brokers for the role of junior software engineer. They are hiring for the location of Mumbai, India. And if you see the qualification, you should have MCA, BE, BTech, MTech, and ME degree in any related field like computer science or any related technical field from a reputable institute. And you should have experience in programming in Java, Oracle, MySQL, and analytical and problem solving. And apart from that, SQL and relational database knowledge is also required. Next opportunity we have from Red Hat for the role of associate software quality engineer role, and this is a full-time opportunity only for fresher candidates, and you will get work location in Bangalore. And if you see the skill qualification requirement, you should have knowledge in Python, Golang, CI/CD, and Jenkins, and also version control system is also required. And apart from that, communication skill and problem solving and analytical skill is also required. If you are interested, you can simply apply for this opportunity. Next opportunity, we have form Blinkit for the intern iOS, and this is internship for the fresher candidates, and work location will be Gurugram, and you have to work from office for 5 days a week. And if you are interested, you can simply fill this form. And this is for iOS developer. They will require a technical skill that is needed for iOS development. Okay, so all of the opportunities that I have discussed in this video, you can get links in the description. You can apply. Till then, I will get new opportunities for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.